Not enough people understand their greatest advantage. Imagine having a market advantage no one can copy, an advantage that if they tried to replicate it, it would only do them more damage than if they'd done nothing at all. This is one of the secrets of video content, and it's incredibly powerful. You only have to shop at Aldi to see the power or disruption copying others can cause. The Aldi experience is that anything can be copied. Almost. I love and hate Aldi all at the same time. I love how they've been able to be so competitive so quickly, delivered a real challenger into a super competitive category. But at the same time, I hate how their strategy is to rip off and copy brands that have been built over decades, if not centuries. Pardon the pun, but this type of rip-off leaves a bad taste in my mouth. And the same applies to your marketing. If you start making videos to be like someone else, you've already failed. You are not Gary Vaynerchuk. You are not Ryan Serhant. You are not Lisa Novak. Can you still learn from these people achieving great things? Yes, 100%. Can you benefit from copying what they're doing? Yes, to a degree. Go ahead and copy the strategies, copy the dedication, copy the work. That will all serve you well. But the moment you start copying them, their personality, the way they speak and act, you're done. Humans communicate just as much from the signs they see than the words or wisdom you share. If you are faking who you are, we'll see it and we won't like it. Your greatest advantage is being you. No one else has the skills or experience. Your story is unique. So make sure you do you. Hey, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate anyone who watches all the way to the end of one of my videos. This is the part where I do the YouTube thing. If you like this video, if you enjoyed it, please consider leaving it a like below so that it feeds the algorithm and spreads these kinds of videos to people who are like-minded like yourself and wanting to learn more in this space. If you want to learn more about this type of content, the other step you need to take is to subscribe with the notifications bell on, so the next time I do upload a video, you get told about it and you don't miss out. Now, if you're interested in storytelling, personality-driven marketing, or even viral content, the next suggestion I have for you is to pick yourself up a copy of this book. It took me about 6 years of research to compact everything that I know into 220 pages. It's got exercises and free downloads and really is a great starting point for anyone wanting to set their voice and market themselves using video. It's available in the US, the UK, Australia, South Africa, Europe, and even New Zealand through all good bookstores. And of course, you can pick it up online via Amazon and Booktopia. It's called Like, Comment, Share, Buy. There's a link to the Amazon site down below. All I can say is it's a great read for anyone who's a beginner in this space, and I'm really proud of it. So if you want to help me out even, buy this book, give it as a gift, whatever you want to do. It's there. Anyway, that's all from me. Catch you on the next one. Peace.